Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. I want to introduce you to the Orgie erection enhancing technology with 3 products that deliver more rigid erections and increase the arousal, leading to the utmost performance and pleasure. Let's start with Orgie Xtra Hard Power Gel, which is formulated with capsicum and other stimulating active ingredients that provides harder erections and increases arousal. The daily use of Xtra Hard promotes more effective results. In daily use, apply 2 or 3 pump doses on the penis with gentle massage once or twice per day. For intercourse, repeat the application with a stimulating massage. Reapply if desired. If you feel like going bold, that's with Touro. Not 1 but 2 of them for your choice. Orgie Touro Power Cream is the best-selling erection enhancer product. It delivers effectiveness and harder erections and arousal thanks to the combination of taurine and ginkgo biloba, while ginseng is known for its effective aphrodisiac and arousal stimulant properties. To apply Touro, just pump 2 or 3 doses of the product on the penis with a stimulant massage. Reapply if desired. Touro XXXL earned its name as it goes extreme in features and functions. Its formula combines taurine and ginkgo biloba for harder erections, ginseng to stimulate your sexual drive, and acamella to promote the sensation of thicker penis due to its vibrating effect. A word of advice: go easy with the Touro XXXL. The product is very effective and the vibration effect is strong. Orgie recommends starting with 1 pump dose with a stimulant massage, and then you adjust the dosage according to what feels more arousing and yet comfortable for you. And yes, you can reapply it if you feel like it. If Touro XXXL sounds like a good choice for you, then you may like to know that Orgie Company submitted this product to dermatologic, urologic and efficacy evaluation carried by a certified independent research laboratory. It was tested and approved with high rates of approval. Effectiveness, better performance with increased pleasure is what you will get with Orgie Erection Enhancer products. Don't settle for less. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.